morning students, how are you? We are on question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. These three designs. So student, see, take center O, you can join OB, OA and OC. Triangle is equilateral given, so these three angles are also equal. So first you can find the value of theta. In question number 6, start with according to question. Theta equal 360 by 3 equal to 120 degree. So area of segment concept we will use. Radius is given 32 centimeter. Required area 3 into area of segments. 3 into area of segments, because 3 designs, 3 r square pi theta by 360 degree minus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 3 r square 3 into 32 into 32. Pi value not given. Take 22 by 7. Theta is 120. 120 by 360 minus sin theta 120 by 2 into cos 120 by 2 degree. So 120 cancel with 3, 260, 2 with 60, 96 into 32, 32 to 3 is 96, bracket 22 upon 21, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Do like this. 96 into 32, 22 by 21 minus root 3 by 4. After this will multiply with whole. 96 into 32 into 22 by 21 minus 96 into 32 root 3 by 4. Do like this. 3 7s are 3 3s are 3 2s are, and student 4 8s are 32 into 32. Do multiplication. 4 64 96 4 2 1024 with 22 8 4 2048 2048. So what you will get? 8 2 5 2 2 2 2 5 8 2 2 5 2 8 5 2 8 upon 7 minus 8 6 48 4 76 root 3 and you can write in bracket centimeter square. This one is your answer. Now see question number 7. In figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of this one shaded region. So student, start with square side equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore radius of each circles equal to 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. According to question, required shaded region area of square minus 4 into area of quadrants. Y quadrant in square, all angle measure of 90 degree. You know, area of square side multiply side, area of quadrant pi r square by 4, 4 cancel with 4, side given 14, 14 into 14, pi 22 by 7, 7 by 1, 7 by 1, 7 cancel with 7, 196 minus 154. So 196 minus 154, 6 minus 4, 2, 42 centimeter square is your answer. So student, complete your work till question number 7 and side by side revise examples also.